Welcome to bcoin, a leading cryptocurrency exchange based in Singapore. This is a simple step-by-step tutorial to get you started in setting up your account at bcoin exchange. First, let's go to the website www.bcoin.sg. Next, select Sign Up to set up for a new account. Fill in the necessary details. To verify that it is a valid email address, kindly click Send button. This will trigger an email with the verification code to be sent to the registered email address. Check your email address to retrieve the verification code. Insert the code into the box. Kindly provide the invitation code if you have any. Confirm that you're agreeable to the terms and policies. Then click Next. In this second stage, you would be required to set up the wallet password. This wallet password must be different from the account login password. This additional password is to enhance the security for your funds at bcoin. Click Next to complete the process. Congratulations! You have successfully set up an account at bcoin. With this, you can now start depositing and trading cryptocurrency on bcoin. To trade in fiat USD currencies, you'd need to verify your identity. Select your preferred authentication option, 1. ID card, or 2. Passport. Fill in all the necessary details as accurately as possible, ensuring that the details match the documents. Next, upload all the necessary documents. You will need a scanned copy of your ID card or passport and a proof of residence. Please ensure all the documents are comprehensible and clear. Select Submit. That's it! You've successfully completed the identity authentication process. You may start trading in fiat once your identity has been verified. For enhanced security, please link your mobile number or Google Authenticator. It's really very simple and easy to set up an account at bcoin. Join us today. Get started at bcoin.